Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So the question is, hi, is there any best method of testing? Is our landing pages is good for getting well conversions? Expert advice needed. One of my clients getting good clicks, but almost too much less conversions. Share your best practice or if any case study on this. Okay, so thanks in advance. Okay, for your answer, I can show you some of the few landing pages which I have downloaded already, and I have also shared in my other videos as well, which I recommend people whenever they wanted to look around on what could be the best landing page. You can also look around on average visitor time duration, and that can also help you. And you can also look around with heat map to see which part or portion of your landing pages is most being liked by your audience. So that also, campaign optimization also plays a role over here, because if the campaign is not optimized, you will not get targeted traffic regardless of how much optimize your landing pages. But the intent of the user does not match with your landing page, and that is how you may be able to see less conversions. So if you are fine with your campaign optimization part, and if you are looking for landing page, so my first of all, my recommendation is to look around on your particular query what your competitor landing pages are. See, what part is very good by them, or what is the thing which you like in the landing page. Once you are done with this, I can show you some of the landing pages which I have had on my computer, which you can see. And for instance, I have saved some landing pages. For instance, this is a landing page which I like. You can see it has a face for human attraction. You can see a CT over here, and then you can see the form over here. That is what I like. And then there is a dental landing page which you can see image with a form, that is also very good. And there is another as well. You can see this lacks a form. I personally want landing pages without scrolling, and has almost everything like this, almost everything over here. But make sure not to have too much information where you get your user confused. So I will also be sharing you, I have also rated some landing pages. Like this landing page is a good landing page, not an excellent landing page, but a good landing page. It has form, images, CTA, and this one is a very good one, which I have rated 9 by 10. You can see over here. If I uh, makes you focus on it, so looks around, so you can see over here you are getting a lot of CTA, like get your free trial bottle today, headline, attractive image with a form, authorities with logos, videos explaining about the product. So that is also a very good thing. And then highlighting what's best for you, and then again order now buttons. So you can see what is a core part in a landing page. There is another landing page as well. You can look for this one as well. For instance, this one, highly attractive image, headline, form, burning about explaining more about the product, videos, a testimonial authority would be a great. So yeah, these are kind of landing pages which works well. I have seen landing pages with some timers, and that can also be very good one. This landing page is very good for an ebook, short, precise, with the CTA of downloading the book. And so again, now you can also look around for this one as well. This landing page has a phone number, logo, engaging visuals, testimonials, phone numbers, form, a powerful headline, authority, trust, credibility. These are the few of the factors. Personally, I also like the timer through which users gets more attention. That is also a very good strategy to grab more visitors. You can have that as well in your marketing strategy. But again, The core part is the core winner is someone who keeps on testing. Uh, I can tell you a scenario where the submit button continue to trial. You can see this yellow greenish background. If you change it to orange one, and you may see difference in conversions just because of this one. So colors also plays a huge role. So A/B testing, keep on doing A/B testing, keep on figuring out, keep on trying new landing pages, new strategies, and because marketing is all about testing. Even if you get a working formula, I'm not saying to end it over here, but your inspiration and your journey should follow, and you may keep on doing new things. So I hope you like this video, and I hope this answers your question regarding a good landing page through which you can increase your conversions. So in case if you are looking for a professional help in Google Ads campaign and landing page, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we'll help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you, take care, and bye bye.